Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be filming today's video. I've not filmed a video in a while. If you guys do not know, I'm a full-time college student. Yes, I'm a YouTuber and a student. We love to see it. And actually, I'm thinking about filming a college day in my life. So if you guys want to see that, I might film that really soon. So that is why I have taken a little bit of a hiatus from filming, but I am back better than ever. We have a lot of videos stacked up for you guys. You're welcome. So I had to come back with one of my favorite all-time Starbucks drinks, recreate it for you guys. You know I'll hook you up. So today, I thought I'd be healthy today. I thought, 2021, new year, we're gonna be healthy. So we are making the strawberry frappuccino, aka my daily serving of fruit. I consider this healthy. It has fruit. That's good enough for me. So while you guys might think that this is a little bit of an easy recipe to make, and it's pretty much just like the same as a strawberry milkshake, it isn't. This is not a strawberry milkshake. You cannot just blend strawberry ice cream and milk. No. This is a frappuccino, or else Starbucks would just call them milkshakes. They aren't. They're a level above, but we kind of need to do a little bit of tweaking and tailoring to this recipe to make it just like the Starbucks one. You guys know I have the best recipes for you, so I did a little bit of research and pulled elements from different recipes and combined it into my recipe. Now this strawberry frappuccino is so good. It is fruity, it is sweet, but not too sweet. It really has that strawberry flavor, so we need to find a way to recreate this at home. So the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe, so easy to find. I always make it super easy for you guys. You can do this. The strawberry frappuccino is literally one of my favorite frappuccinos on the menu. It is just so, After I drink it, I don't really feel guilty. Some Starbucks drinks, after I drink it, it's kind of just sitting there and I feel a little bit of guilt. This one, not really. I feel like I just had a smoothie, we're good to go. So if you love Starbucks frappuccinos and if you love strawberry, you are going to need to try this out. So without further ado, let's get on with this recipe. Okay, so we are actually going to build this entire creation in this blender. You guys know I live and die by my NutriBullet. Literally, it's like a single serving, perfect for frappuccinos, perfect for smoothies. If you are looking for a blender, if you are looking for an investment to make, get a NutriBullet. You won't regret it. Not sponsored by NutriBullet. I wish I was. So I'm just going to combine all of my ingredients in here. It doubles as a little cup, so we're good to go. Okay, so the first ingredient I'm going to add to my blender cup is freeze-dried strawberries. Now, I am incorporating 2 elements of strawberry into this recipe. This is the first one, so let me explain to you why I'm using this. Now, a lot of other recipes use either frozen strawberries or fresh strawberries, and those cause a little bit of problems. So strawberries, just by their very nature, have a lot of water in them. And it's really hard sometimes to come by strawberries that are super sweet. Some strawberries just have no flavor at all. So to prevent that from happening, I am going to go ahead and use my freeze-dried strawberries here. We're actually going to rehydrate them with some of the other liquids, but what we're avoiding here is adding too much water to the liquid mixture. We don't want this to be diluted. We want a really strong flavor, and these always taste super sweet, so the flavor is very consistent. We love consistency. Okay, so I'm not using an exact amount. I'm just going to put a handful of these into my blender. You can add as many or as little as you want. So all of the measurements I am going to be using for this recipe are for a venti. If you want a smaller or a bigger drink, just adjust this recipe. Okay, and like I said, we need to add a liquid that's going to kind of bring these strawberries back to life. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1 cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you want. This is going to plump those strawberries back up, but not give them like that watery flavor. We want a strawberry flavor. And these strawberries rehydrate super quickly, so you don't really need to let this sit at all. They are already coming back to life. So then one of my other secret ingredients that is going to really enhance the flavor of this drink is a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now the Starbucks one doesn't really have a vanilla element to it, but what I found is that vanilla complements strawberry really well and almost brings out the strawberry flavor even more. So that's why I'm adding it to this drink. So a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract going in. This is completely optional. If you don't have it, don't feel like you have to get it. So I mentioned I'm adding 2 elements of a strawberry flavor to this drink. And the second ingredient I'm going to add is 3 tablespoons of strawberry syrup. And this is what is going to pack this drink with strawberry flavor. So 3 tablespoons of this going in. Oh my gosh. And this is also the ingredient that is going to give it that iconic pink color, just like the one from Starbucks. And last but not least, this is obviously a Frappuccino. So I'm going to add a heaping cup of ice. This is what is going to give it that classic Frappuccino texture that we all know and love. Okay, so all of my ice is in here. All of my ingredients are in here actually. So now we can screw on the top. Okay, so then I'm just going to turn it upside down and put it in my blender. And now we are ready to blend this up. I'm so ready for this. Oh my gosh. Just like that, we are done. Do you not see this texture? It is so thick. Perfect. We really did this. So now I can go ahead and grab my favorite go-to Starbucks cup that we're going to build this drink in. So let's build this drink. Okay, cup down, lid off. Not me acting like this is a surgical operation. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you know when you can just tell something's gonna be good? I can just tell this is gonna be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this one final stir. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is spoon in a couple of spoonfuls of this mixture into the cup. And then I have some tricks up my sleeve. Okay, so I filled this maybe like 1/4 or 1/3 of the way. And just for a decoration, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle in some more strawberry syrup, especially around the edges of the cup. This is going to give it that finished look. Yes. And now I can just go ahead and pour in the rest of my mixture. Okay, so all of my Frappuccino mixture is in here. So now it is time for my favorite part of the Frappuccino, the whipped cream. I think this is by far the best looking Frappuccino on the menu. It has the best color ever. Okay, so I think we're ready to give this a try. Let's see how it tastes. This is it. This is it. Wow. That strawberry flavor is like coming through. I am shocked. Not only does it look so cute, but it tastes so good. And again, I almost feel like healthy drinking it. Why is she kind of giving me, I'm sure it's not healthy. I'm pretty sure it's not healthy, but I feel healthy. So I will leave the recipe for this drink in the description box down below. You guys have to try this out. If you love this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.